Start with breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, expand your belly like a balloon. Exhale, gentle fall. Inhale, expand. Feel the expansion. Exhale, gentle fall of your belly. Core engaged. Inhale up. Extend. Exhale. Inhale, expand your belly like a balloon. Exhale, keep your core engaged. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now we'll be doing leg swing. Take a wall support if you want and swing your leg. Swing with control. Other side. With toe pointed, knee straight. Relax. Let's start with marches. Keep half feet gap between the leg. Core engaged. When you engage your core, you squeeze. Your glutes should be squeezed. Your lower abdomen should be tight. Engage the core. Zip it up and then start. Keep hands on your waist and then start. Core engaged throughout the workout. Lift the knee up. Toe pointed. Stable movement. Keep your body stable. Core engaged. Every time you lose your core, engage it again and then start. Toe pointed. Lift it as much as possible. Keep your core engaged. Last one. Relax. Lie down on your back. Keep your core engaged. Your lower back should be flattened with the floor. And there should not be any gap in between your lower back and floor. That's how you engage your core. Keep your both knees together. Let's start with arm raises. Lift your right hand up. Bring towards your head. Down. Left. Down. Core engaged. Down. Keep your core engaged. Do it for both hands. Down. Control movement. Go slow. In both hands, it's quite difficult. You can repeat with the one hand also. Just keep your core engaged. And slow movement. The body is stable. Last one. Relax. Heel slide will hold for 3 seconds. Keep your both knees together. Lower back should be flattened with the floor. That's how you engage your core. With core engagement, slide your right heel. Stay for 3 count. Toe pointed, knee straight. Bring it back. Left. Hold for 3 count. Core engaged. Bring it back. Right. Slow movement. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. Keep your toe pointed. Bring it back. Core engaged. Exhale through your mouth. When you exhale through your mouth, you regain the energy for the next moment. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Back. Go slow. Nothing to rush here. Keep your core engaged. Toe pointed, knee straight. Last one. Relax. Lie down on your back. Make sure your lower back should be flattened with the floor. That's how you engage your core. Core engagement is really important for any movement. Now we'll be doing dead bug. If you have 6 months, if you have C-section and less than 6 months of postpartum, you can skip this exercise, or you can just lift your leg up, down, rest, lift legs up, hands parallel to each other. Keep your core engaged. Extend your right hand, bring it back, left leg, back, left hand, bring it back. Keep your core engaged. Body stable. Right, left, right, left hand, right leg. Go slow. Keep your body controlled. Core engaged. Keep your body controlled. Last one. Extend your left leg, toe pointed, bring it back. Right, left hand. Right leg. Relax, bring your leg and hand down. Extend your both the legs. Forward bend. Stretch. Go as much as possible. Stay. Keep your both the knees straight. With every exhalation, try to go down as much as possible. Bring it back. Join your both knees together. Butterfly. Flip. Flip your both knees. Relax. Great.